Dude, he won't stop. Oh! Look at this absolute shit show. Can't even get a spot. You know what time it is. It's Memorial Day weekend. Gotta love it. We're friggin' shoulder to shoulder. We're gonna find them. Bait right here. Oh, right on him. Right on the kid's mystic. Nah, is it? I thought it was a fish. That's a seal? Oh! On the jiggy! Let's go, kid. Ain't no seal. If there's a seal, get it out of here. Oh yeah, that ain't no seal, boy. On the mystic?
Yep. Oh, baby.
Ooh, looking good. Looking good. Well done, kid. Well done. That's keep. No, that's bigger than keep. Oh, come on, man. We just crossed. Hey, hurry up and reel in a little bit. There you go. You're good. Nice, Corey. No skunk for you. Yeah, I'm about to do the same. I got his mystic on. Ooh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish, bud. No, that's 30, mid 30, right? Wow, buddy. Sniped him with that mystic. Sure. Let me see. Right here. Let me get with the phone too. That's a good fish. Good job, buddy. On the rocket. On the rocket, baby. Yep. Slow. Thing got some weight. On the rocket, I owed them one. Yeah. This thing's got some weight. Oh yeah. Nope. On the rocket. Pumped. Corey was showing me how to snipe them. Oh. What is this thing? Dude, he won't stop. Oh! Oh yeah! Oh baby! Woo! Oh, that's a 40, baby! Oh, let's go! Let's go! 3.5 ounce. I have them for sale. Oh, let's go. Yes, dude. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. On the rocket, kid. Corey, what you got for me? That might be a slotty. No, that's bigger than a slot. Mine was like 40. Mine was like 40, 41 to 42. Oh, hey, look to your left. Let it float into your left. Yeah, 'cause right where that bird was. Oh shit. I didn't have it on the whole time. That's a nice one.
That's a big fish.
That ain't moving. I'll help you land this one. That ain't moving. Here, let me get a picture of you. Yeah, oh.
29 pounds.
Here. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
That's your PB. That's your PB. That's your PB. Those wilds. Didn't get it on the GP. My only job is just to get it on the GoPro. Couldn't get it happen. Son of a biscuit.
You want to know what I got it on?
Rocket? Bucktail. Oh! Go ahead. Cast over me, who cares? I'm past you, so you can do whatever you gotta do. He's on the board. Dude, I hope you got some of that on GoPro.
I definitely got some of it.
That's devastating. I thought I got it on the hook set too. This craziness Memorial Day weekend brings up. We got some Shaba going on right here. We got some 40 inches being caught. We got the Van Stahl Gold right there. And we're on the move. Corey sniped a few on the Mystic swimmer. And then I saw fish breaking kind of far away. I put on the striper gear, rocket, and bammo, wham bam. Got on a 41.5, 42 inch, 23 pound ish striper. Then we did the same thing, sniped out long, reeled slow, hooked onto a 44 inch, 29 pound striper, which I thought my GoPro was on, but was definitely not. So hopefully Corey's got the footage of that. And that's that. There's night shift. Hey! We got a good gang of cats over here. Weather is impeccable. It's good to see that May brings some warmer weather. Looked like the bait was going down this way and we were getting bites going towards the west, and the fish were moving quick. So Corey and I, some of the cats are gonna go and try and make a stab at a different location. If not, I mean, we cows on the board for Memorial Day weekend. I'm set. I did not expect to catch a fish today. I don't know why, but we did it. Holy, the players are out. We got everybody in their sister. Oh, that's a nice pup. Is that a Cane Corso?
Yeah.
That's what I want. The dogs are out. The cows are out. People are slaying fish. Oh, it's that time of year. It's that time of year. Look at this little beach here. Oh my Lord. Yeah, get to that corner, man. Let's get to that corner. Yeah. Oh, is that John? I think that's the kid that won the challenge. What up, dude?
Oh, man.
Yeah, he's the winner. Yeah. Back to good old Pippy Rippy. What a morning. Big fish caught all over. Some by this crew, some by some other people. It was a weird bite though, because it was scattered. They were showing themselves on top, but they're eating in the middle water column. Uh-oh. We're in trouble. Look at all of these people. Isn't there like a cookout to go to today? We might have started at the wrong spot. What's up, buddy? We started too far west. Should have stayed where we were yesterday. We were trying to do too much. It's all right, we're here now. We're gonna get them. I go try to get to the spot we were at yesterday, but it looks like, ooh, people are on. Damn, old timer, putting in work. Look at this, that's barbaric.
Guess I'm not leaving now. I'm glad my change came apart.
You keeping?
Slot, yeah. I need a slot.
Looks. He looks a little small. Nah, he's small. He's a small guy. But we'll take him. Yeah.
You get closer, right?
Right in that little rip. Seen better days than yours. That one was rough.
Yeah, you saw that one?
Yeah, what the hell? It's right. Foggy morning, baby. Day 3. We missed them yesterday. I got one. We were behind the bite the whole day. But we're gonna get on them today. Foggy morning brings big fish. So today was a scattered blitz fishing day, I guess. I don't know. We were around fish. People were catching fish here and there, but we couldn't put together a productive day. My buddy Mo caught on a couple Magic Swimmer, and It's good. He needed to land a fish. First fish of the year. I've seen some other people catching the jig, but we did not. I'm still trying for like another half hour, but